Hello, I'm Lelda Smits for the Finance News Network, and joining me from SpeedCast International is its CEO, Pierre-Jean Beylier. PJ, congratulations on having just listed on the Australian Securities Exchange.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
SpeedCast is a satellite network service provider. What services exactly does the company provide, and how do you generate money?
Yeah, we are providing turnkey managed satellite services to our customers, which are large enterprises and governments in over 60 countries around the world. We are supporting mission-critical communications and applications for these customers wherever they operate. We're a service business, which means that the vast majority of our revenues come from recurring service revenues. And in addition to that, we've got revenues related to installation and maintenance of those networks.
Now, your initial public offering was aiming to raise $150 million. How much did you raise, and where do you plan to put the funds?
So we raised what we were aiming at, so 150 million. A bit over 50 million is used to repay some of our debts, and the rest of the proceeds are going to shareholders. So we have a number of shareholders sitting down some of their stakes in the company.
So PJ, where is SpeedCast based, and why did you choose to list on the Australian Securities Exchange?
So we started the company almost 15 years ago in Hong Kong, and we're still headquartered in Hong Kong today. This is where I'm based. But we chose to list on the Australian Stock Exchange for a number of reasons. First of all, over 50% of our revenues are generated in the Australian Pacific region. We also believe that our story is a good story for investors on the ASX to understand, and this exchange has the right size for a company like ours, for the float that we were aiming at.
Right, so how is your business different to other satellite network service providers?
Well, first of all, we've got a very strong leadership position in Asia Pacific. So our infrastructure in this region, our support capabilities, our engineers on the ground are second to none. So we've got a very strong position in this market. We are also a major player globally in the maritime sector, where we have built a global brand name, and we have also built a reputation for the quality of our support. And I think SpeedCast is known for its very strong focus on customer satisfaction. This is something that we're very committed to in the whole organization, from the top to the bottom. And I think that's very much at the heart of our success.
And what areas of growth have you identified for the business?
The company has experienced strong growth in the past few years, and we expect that to continue in the future with a few drivers. Definitely the growth of data connectivity requirements is something that is driving the growth of our business across all the industries and the customers that we're serving. And in particular, I would emphasize the maritime industry, where the adoption of broadband satellite systems is accelerating. The natural resources vertical with strong oil and gas activities, and the telecom sector, where GSM networks are expanding into rural parts of emerging markets in Asia.
And finally, PJ, for the shareholders who may have just come on board, what milestones are you looking forward to, and what's your timeline to achieving them?
The company has a strong track record of growth, and it's very much our intention to continue sustaining double-digit organic growth on a yearly basis. And we have made 5 acquisitions over the past 2 years. We are combining organic growth with a market consolidation strategy. We are in an industry that is very fragmented, and we'll be looking for opportunities to continue consolidating the market.
PJ, thank you for introducing SpeedCast, and congratulations again on having just listed on the Australian Securities Exchange.
Thanks a lot for having me here today.